Version 2.11 of the chat software added a couple new features: a one-switch step linear scan and a manual switch access with head pointing. To achieve the one-switch step linear scan, you will need to do the following. Connect a switch to port A. Verify Enable Scanning is selected within the settings. Turn Auto Scan off. With Auto Scan off, a switch activation is required to move the scan through each button, one at a time. Set activation delay. In the video example coming up, I set the delay to 2 seconds. This determines how long you must stay off the switch before an activation takes effect. Set the scan mode to linear. Let's take a look.
Talk, want, need, people, people, family, mom, mom, dad, beginning, talk. Can we talk? Are you listening? Greetings. Hi. Hi there. How are you? Good. Okay. I'm doing okay today. Hi. What's up? Going on. Beginning. Talk. Can we talk? Are you listening? Greetings. Tell you what I think. Let me tell you what I think. Good comments. Like. Cool. Great. I think that's great. Like. Cool. Great. Beginning.
The option to use a switch to activate the selection while using head pointing to move the cursor around the screen is also added. The switch activation only works within the vocabulary and will not activate selections within menus or outside the chat software. The feature is activated by connecting a switch to either port. Then you will want to set a high enough dwell time to avoid accidental activations through head pointing. In the video example that you will see, the dwell time is set to 10 seconds.
I want to drink orange juice. I want to drink orange juice. Hello. How are you? I like that. I like that.
A few changes were made to 2.11 chat software. Smart punctuation was added. What happens with images when Show Button Images is turned off was changed. And the process to copy a button style changed slightly. With the addition of smart punctuation, the software recognizes the punctuation and determines if a space is needed or if it needs to be removed. Previously, WordPower has been programmed with button actions to create smart punctuation. Now in vocabulary where punctuation is not present, we can simply program it in. So let's take a look in this multi-chat file. We'll go into edit mode. A copy has already been made. I'd like to put punctuation on the core words page, so I'll have to remove a button. I'll remove the delete word, and now I will add my punctuation to this blank spot. So we'll create a button. I'm going to go ahead and put the period in. And I'm just going to save it just as is. Tap out of edit mode. Tap the screen.
I can do that. I can do that.
And you see that the period was put in right after that, so it backspaced automatically, and now we have smart punctuation. The next feature was show button images. So within settings, I'll switch vocabularies, and then I'll go into settings. So I'm going to go to a vocabulary where there may be images, and if I turn the text off, I might lose those images. So let's go ahead and go into the 108 SS with keyboard. I'm going to go into my settings. I'm going to go under style properties, and I'm going to deselect the show button images. When I go back to my vocabulary, we'll see that I only have the text available, but on buttons where I would need to see the home button or the go forward or go back button, those images will still remain there. So if I go into people, I see that I now have my home button there. I went to school people, I now see my arrow was there. Prior to this update, those would have appeared as blank buttons. The other thing that has changed is the process to copy a button style. We'll simply go into, I'm going to go into that vocabulary where I had made the copy already. So we'll go in that multi-chat file. I'm going to go ahead and turn my images back on. So under style, show button images. I'll go into edit mode. Okay, so if I wanted to make the school button orange for some reason, I would first take the button that I would like to copy the style from, but I'm going to go ahead and select copy button. I'm going to go to school, press that button because that's where I want the style to go, and now I select paste button style. I kept the contents of my button, but I now have the same style properties. The 2.12 update brings some significant upgrades to the WordPower 80 file. You will see category links now appear on the top row. Word prediction appears when spelling is initiated, which allows for more core words on the home page. Question words are available on the questions page or by selecting W on the keyboard. Additionally, programming updates use modifiers instead of pages. The category pages were modified slightly to align with the main page. A new feature of WordPower 80, and also found on the 60 Basic, are story concepts and character traits. They are great additions for literacy and concepts of print development.
I am really proud of you. I am really proud of you. She is taking a break. She is taking a break. Where are we going? Where are we going? Who will be there? Who will be there? Beginning. Character. is. Fun-loving. Beginning character, he is fun-loving. Eat. Pizza. With. Mushrooms. Please. Eat pizza with mushrooms, please. Slow. Slowly. Play. Playing. Soccer. Slowly playing soccer.
Introducing the Chat Fusion 8, offered with optional head pointing. The Chat Fusion 8 is an 8-inch screen, weighs in at 1.9 pounds, offers front and rear cameras, Ivona synthesizer with option for acapella voices. Cymbals include cymbal sticks as a default and PCS as an option. Chat Fusion provides a wireless docking station and includes a barrel charger that can be used with the docking station or directly on the device. A nice feature of the Chat Fusion line is the ability to touch the screen to wake up the device. Options available for access are the chat point for head point access, single and dual switch options, as well as the screen function as a switch. Keyguard options are also available. Check out our newest edition, the Chat Fusion 8. Locate your nearest consultant on our website.